Hello everybody and welcome back. Root Beer here with question number 12 on the 2003 10th grade level Cayley competition. The points A, with A as its x-coordinate, 1 as its y-coordinates, B at 9, 0, and C at negative 3, 4, lie on a straight line. The value of A is... Okay. So to work this one out, it might be a good idea to work out maybe an equation for this line. So all we need to figure out a line are 2 points. Well, we have 2 points here, B and C, that have all their coordinates clearly stated. We can work out what line they lie on. A is going to have to be on the same line, and we can hopefully work out this little a. Okay? So, 9, 0, and negative 3, 4. Well, if I want to figure out an equation of the line, it might be a good idea to decide which one. I think I'm going to go with y equals mx plus b. It's the one I was taught in early high school, so it's the one I probably would have written on this Cayley back in the day. Alright, so the b is the x-intercept. The y-intercept. And we're not given that. We'd need a number that looks like y, that looks like 0b. If you want to, you are given b for its x-intercept, so you could have used the equation mx minus a. Don't get confused. This a is not the same a as the one in the question. It would just be 9. Okay? Because there are different forms of the line. So we'll need to figure out the y-intercept, but more importantly, we also need to work out m, the slope. Now we can figure out the slope with rise over run. And this is the difference in the y-coordinates of 2 points on the line divided by the difference in the x-coordinates. Well, hey, I've got 2 points here. How about we go ahead and use them? So I'm going to let b be the first coordinate that I use, so 0 for the y-coordinate and 9 for the x-coordinate. And then we subtract off the y-coordinate of c and the x-coordinate of c. So this becomes negative 4 on top. 9 minus negative 3 is the same as 9 plus 3, and that's 12. So it looks like m is negative 1/3. If I want to figure out what b is, and I certainly do because I want to finish off this equation, I can just plug in a point that I know is going to work here. So for example, if I plug in the coordinates for b, I know 0, the y-coordinate, is going to be negative 1/3 of the x-coordinate plus this mysterious b value. But negative 1/3 of 9 is negative 3 plus b, and we need this to be equal to 0. Follows pretty quickly, b is 3. So the line that we're working with is y equals negative 1/3 x plus 3. And if we want to, we can even double check. Does that work if I plug in negative 3 in for x? The 3's will cancel out, the negatives will cancel out, we'll be left with 1 plus 3 is 4, and you bet that's the y-coordinate of c. So a, which is at a1, I think, let's just double check, a1, okay, is on this line. So 1 is equal to negative 1/3 a plus 3. And now let's rearrange this. 1 minus 3, bringing the 3 over to the other side. So we get negative 2 is equal to negative 1/3 a. Multiply on both sides by 3, we'll get negative 6 is negative 1 times a, or just negative a. Divide by negatives, we should get a is equal to 6. Is that one of the possible answers? Let's find out. Yeah, D, 6. Okay, so yeah, it's D. Okay, so that's question 12. Look forward to question number 13 with me, which we're going to take a look at in the next video.